In today's video, we're going to be solving scenarios with slope-intercept form. So we're going to be given a specific real-life scenario and create a slope-intercept equation, and then also answer some questions following once we come up with our equation. So in the first problem, we said a t-shirt company charges a design fee of $18 for a pattern and then sells the shirts for $9 each. Create a function rule in slope-intercept form that models the scenario. So with this problem, it's really important. You remember slope-intercept form is always y equals mx plus b. Right? So we have the m is the slope, it's the rate, it's the rise over run, it's the constant rate of change. Okay, the b is the intercept. It's where you start or a certain value starts in a scenario. So in this one, it's important you find which one is the rate first. And some keywords when you see rate are each, per, or those are the ones I can think of off the top of my head. All right. So in this scenario, the t-shirt company is selling shirts for $9 each. That's the rate, the key word being each. So my equation is going to be y equals 9x, and it charges a design fee of $18. So it automatically charges at the beginning $18. So 9x plus 18 is my slope-intercept equation. All right. $9 being the rate, 18 is where you start, the y-intercept. All right. If someone were to order 50 shirts, how much would the company charge them? So since it's $9 per shirt, we have to plug in this 50 into our x to figure it out. And you could actually just use a calculator. 9 times 50 plus 18. Okay, so we go to our calculator. 950 times 50 plus 18. It is $468. All right, and that would be how much $50 or 50 shirts cost. If the company charges $540, how many shirts were ordered? So you have to take this one and instead plug it into Y. All right, I'm going to give myself some room over here. So we have 540 equals 9x plus 18, since the y values is going to be my total charge. So we solve that, minus 18 from both sides. 540 times 8 minus, clear all this. 540 minus 18 is 522. Divide both sides by 9. Is 58. So that means how many shirts were ordered? 58 shirts. Okay, so it's important that you understand each part of the y-intercept equation. The slope is the rate. Okay, the x value in this case is the number of shirts. The y value is the total cost, and the 18 is the startup fee for designing it. Okay, let's look at another one. Maria bought a $50 virtual gift card for her son Caesar, who wanted to use it to buy video games at $4.99 each. Create a function rule in slope-intercept form that models how much is left on the gift card. So again, which one is the rate? $4.99. That's the rate. Now think about the scenario though. You have a gift card, and if you're buying games off of it, you have to be careful with the rate, because the rate then, instead of being $4.99, X, it's going to be negative because the money on that gift card is going down. So negative 4.99x. And the startup, how much it costs to start is $50. That's how much money is on the card. If Caesar bought 4 games, how much would be left on the card? So you plug in 4 here. So you get Y equals negative 4.99 times 4 plus 50. Use our calculator. Negative 4.99 times 4 plus 50. It is $30.04. $30.04. How many can he buy? Okay. We're really not plugging in a number here. Can we plug in a number? Yeah. Remember, if you interpret the slope-intercept form of the equation, X is the number of games, Y is the total cost. So we want to see how many he can buy. We want to see how much is left on that gift card, how many games he can buy on that gift card. So with the gift card, we want our goal to be how much money? $0. So we want $0. Let me do a different color. $0 to be in for my Y value. We want to see how much you can buy. So we have 0 equals negative 4.99 X plus 50. And then we're going to solve that. So we're going to minus 50 from both sides. Forgot to do the line on my equation there. And now we get negative 50 equals negative 4.99x. Divide both sides by negative 4.99. And let's take a look. Well, we know a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So on my calculator, I'm going to do 50 divided by 4.99. And I get, 10.02, an ugly number, right? Can I buy that number of games? No, I can't do that. 4.1002. I can't buy 0.02 of a game. So when I can't buy 0.02 of a game, I just round it down. I guess not rounding it, but just you take the biggest integer. So you can, Caesar can only buy 10 games. So it's going to be about 10.02, but since you can't round up, you don't round up, the biggest integer of games Caesar can buy is 10 games. All right, so we're not really rounding, we're just finding the biggest whole number that works in this scenario. All right, so that's how you set up a slope-intercept form from a given real-world scenario, and then also answer some questions afterwards. So thank you for watching today's video, and just always remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.